Hi everyone, it's Deanna. How are you today? I hope all is well in your world. If this is your first time stopping by and tuning in, thank you so much. Definitely subscribe and throw a like my way if you like what you're watching. And as always, please leave comments on anything that you'd like to see or message me about any questions. I'm always here for you. Okay, as you know, we are in full-fledged holiday mode here at Beautycounter and just in general, right? So I've had a lot of requests for this video and I'm finally getting to it. It's about our cream eyeshadows from our holiday collection. So we have 5 beautiful colors and they comes in this really pretty box. As I make a bunch of noise, comes in this really pretty box. I just thought I'd take it out because it might be a little tricky taking them out on camera. So they come in this great box. They fit right in here. Aren't they cute? So they're really good. It's just giftable, just like this. You can throw a bow on it, or you can, of course, can gift wrap it as well. But wanted to show you the box that it comes in. Let's see. Let me show you the colors that we have. This one is Cosmos, and I'm going to use the colors or the description of the colors that Christy Coleman, our creative director and celebrity makeup artist that does all of our Beautycounter cosmetics. She's amazing. And some of our skincare too. But her description of Cosmos is a shimmering soft pink. Isn't that really pretty? And as you can see, the applicator is just like this, and it kind of tapers at the top, so it's good for liner as well. I will show you a couple of tricks of putting this on and getting even application, because that's the only thing that I have found for me, and it might be just me, that I just need a little help. The wand, I prefer pots with cream shadows, but these are beautiful, they wear beautiful, they're great colors. So just want to throw that out there. Okay, and then this one's Stellar. This is the one I'm going to actually try and demonstrate today with. And Stellar is a warm amethyst. So, ooh, that is just so pretty. I can't wait to show y'all. Okay, so there's this. And then we have, this one's Celeste. And this is a silver lilac. Very, very pretty. Look at that. I can see layering like a deeper gray or a gunmetal gray, just like right in the crease. Have this just all over the lid. That would be very pretty. Okay, and then this one is Luna. I love this one too. And this is considered an olive slate. I like that description. Look at that, that's so pretty. And then our final color is Orion. And Orion is an soft gold, soft gold. Soft gold, it kind of looks bronzy to me, but you know, very pretty. Okay, one thing about them is that they do dry pretty quick, but before you, and you can use this with powder products as well, powder eyeshadow, just make sure that it's dry so it doesn't move. That's the key for that. But aren't they gorgeous? Really, really pretty. They have a little bit of a sheen to it, but not glitter, so you're not going to be going, oh, too glittery, it's disco time. No, they're really, really sophisticated. Okay, so I'm going to take the Stellar, and that is the warm plum. Is that warm amethyst? Warm plum. And I'm just going to wipe this off now. So with our cleansing wipes. Okay. Okay. And couple of different things. So I'm going to show you a trick. You can use the applicator and put it on your eye. I'm going to use the mirror from our iconic eyeshadow palette, which I will be doing a separate tutorial later on. Okay, so you can use it like this, and make sure you put your eyeshadow primer. I already put concealer and powder on. And if you use a primer, just put that on ahead of time. So it's blendable with the actual applicator. It's easy enough, but I'm a precise gal. You can go back with your fingertips and blend in, and it's fine. And maybe my fingertips are just too big for my eye socket, but I like to use a brush, okay? And I'm gonna show you, this is our all over brush. And if you see that it has short bristles and then some long bristles, so what I would do if you want to use the brush, I just like I said, I get a little more precise application with this. It's just a little trick. You don't have to do it. I think it's quite easy, just how I was doing it there as it is. But this way I can really move it where I want to. And it's really blendable, but you'll kind of have to move quick because it will dry. As you can see, pretty, right? That's such a pretty color. Perfect for holidays. So you can wear these just like this, like a wash of color, all of them. Or you can layer it with powder eyeshadow. So again, I'm just going to take it up a little higher, right? Right through there. And I'd be happy with just that, actually. But what's cool about this applicator as well is you can use it as a liner. The one little tip I would give you, tissue. So I would just wipe it a little bit. The tissue shouldn't leave very many fibers on it. Should be okay, but I just think sometimes you can get too much product, and you can even do that, wipe it on the actual bottle itself. I'm just gonna go back through. And again, depending on how smoky you want, you can bring it down farther, make it a thick line, make it a thin line. But these wear really, really well. Pretty. And then you just throw on some false lashes. I wouldn't do like a black eyeliner with this, just kind of depends. Or you could do, I guess, a wing liner if you wanted to, depending on how dramatic you want to go. But I think this is just pretty and simple, just as it is. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and then I'll show you one other color that we can put on there. And then I thought I'd just play with a couple of other things from the holiday collection to sneak those into this video as well. Hope you don't mind. So again, I just did that. I'm just going to put it on the other eye. So this is what happens even when I did kind of taper that or wipe it off on the bottle, getting a little bit of a thicker line that I want to. So in something like this, in a case like this, I would just take a Q-tip and just soften it so it's not as thick. There we go. Q-tips are your friends. They are your friend. Awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to take, so as you can see, they're pretty even. But I could take a shadow and put that on there. There's actually a color in the Iconic, and again, this is the Iconic palette. I'm going to be doing a separate tutorial on this. But this fringe, which is a really pretty kind of aubergine color, just put that right over it, just to kind of set it. That could be fun. Soften it up a little bit. So this one is Cosmos, and it's a light pink. So this might be really pretty, just right through here. I haven't played with this one yet, so we'll just learn together. How's that? So this will be my brow bone color. So it gives a little bit of sheen. Remember, lighter is always going to bring forward, darker is going to always recede. Same concept with any kind of contouring, same thing, same idea. Okay. And then you can pop that right in here. Pretty, right? I think it looks great. So again, you could just put on some false lashes. You could put eyeliner. I think when you're going with a bolder look and you're doing like a wash like this, and again, you can make it really bold for evening. I think just false lashes, you know, a soft pale lip, which I'm going to show you what I'm going to put on, or you could go with a bolder color too, like a beautiful plum, okay? So with a color like this, I'm probably going to use one of our blushes, Sorbet. Oh, and I didn't even tell you the price on these. These are, okay, the prices on these are $39, so you get 5 cream shadows for $39. That's great. It's a great deal and a great gift too. So I'm going to use Sorbet, which is a really pretty mauve-y pink. This right here. See if I can use the... And everybody puts their blush on a little different. They don't put it on the apples of the cheeks. I don't get much pink or red through here, so I like to put them on the apples of my cheeks and bring them up. Not the full 80s streak. I will blend. But I like cheek color, especially when I'm going in for photos, that kind of thing. I don't want to be washed out. But if you get a lot of pink and it comes through here, then keep it right to here, if that makes sense. But you probably already know how to put your blush on. And then I use my favorite Kevyn Aucoin brush to blend. Just blend it and like almost like melt it into the skin. Pretty, right? Okay, I need to put mascara on too. And my mascara of the moment, you know, Beautycounter, we're working on our new ones. It's hard to make a good, clean mascara that does some of the other things that we're used to with some of the other brands. So I use Honest Beauty's mascara right now. I even have difficulties with that one, but that it comes with the primer, so I'm able to put the mascara on top of that, and it seems to work for me. So I'll be back in a moment. I'll put this on. And there you go, as you can see. Now, for me, I probably would go back through and just comb them through. I like this little gadget I got at Target. I think it's a Japanese brand. And I would just comb through, just because I don't really like the clumpy look, but sometimes I do like the clumpy look. It's just really random. But as you can see, the primer, you put that on, wait a little bit, and then you put your mascara on, or the mascara end of it. And that's the Honest Beauty one. Okay. So there's that. Now I'm going to show you the Transforming Duo. And if you remember the mood rings back in the day, that's what this is. This is what it's similar to. So you're going to put it on. It's going to work with your body chemistry, and it's going to turn into a pink hue, and it'll be customized to your body chemistry, just temperature, pH, all that good stuff. So it comes with this sheer, and it has like a vanilla scent, no synthetic fragrance. It's all natural. You all know that if you know Beautycounter. We don't use any synthetic fragrance or flavor, but it's vanilla. And then you'll just put on this gloss. So this is what's going to give the lip color change. And then you're going to put the gloss. This isn't really any, this doesn't add to the color necessarily. It just gives the shine. And as you can see, it's turning a really soft pink. Isn't that pretty? I've seen it turn corally on some people too. So even though we say a pink hue, a customized pink hue, it's turned peachy on other people. So that is the Transforming Duo. This is a great gift for anybody. It's $30. Comes just like this in a red box, super cute. And yeah, so those are a couple of sets from our holiday collection. I hope you've enjoyed what you've watched. Definitely tune in for more. If you haven't seen our holiday collection, make sure to check my videos below, and it will be at the end of this video too. So again, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Till next video. Bye guys.